Hello guys, welcome back. This is Judy. I am super hyped, super happy, finally on my way to a Dollar Tree after being home for so long. I want to see what they have up for fall decor for this year, so come check it out with me because I'm sure they have great stuff this year. Okay guys, so in this video we went to two different Dollar Trees. One had a lot of stuff, the other one did not, so this is why we went. I'm hoping not to talk a lot in this voiceover, but I will be showing you the new things that I myself think weren't here last year. So like this beautiful Friends Gather sign here. It's a neutral farmhouse color, and I personally think that these clip-on small foam pumpkins match so perfect to that sign. These are super new. I did not see this last year. If they were here last year, I missed them, but oh my god, I can frame those up. I fell in love with those. I found these ribbons to be an amazing deal. Look at these new prints. I am in love with the red truck. I am in love with the red buffalo plaid and the black buffalo plaid. I don't know. Dollar Tree keeps getting better every day. These pumpkins, I feel like they had them last year, but they're still really cute, very fall decor. I still have all of mine that I purchased last year, so I didn't need any more. But some of these are nice and new, like those gold ones. I didn't see those last year. These lights, I think I did see them last year, but they're super cute. Put them in a glass vase. White pumpkins are my favorite. Now, please correct me if I'm wrong, but I did not see this last year. These yard or garden picks with the red truck and the Friends Gather sign, I did not see this last year. These are really good quality. They're thick. I mean, for it to be in Dollar Tree, I think it's a great buy. Look at the amount of decorative mesh that this Dollar Tree had. It's like no one has started fall decor yet. And these with the multicolors, really cute. These are great for wreaths. I myself do not like using them. I have a hard time using them, but they are very easy to use. I just don't like it. It's not my style. Okay, I did not pick up any of these wooden pumpkins, but looking at it right now, I should have grabbed a couple. I can paint them over and write something else, which was a good idea, but man, I'm gonna have to go pick them up when I go again. Okay, so this is me investigating because I'm for sure thinking there's way too many rugs here for it to be just one print. And I was right. Look at this beautifulness. Hey there, pumpkin. Beautiful pumpkin detail. Then there's, wait for it. Oh my god, yes. Hello Fall red truck. I am in love. These I found random in the second store. There were just a couple of few pieces there just sitting down looking very sad. I didn't see those in the store before, so I decided to just record so you can see there's probably another Dollar Tree full of these. So go grab yours. Now this second store definitely did have their flowers and picks stocked up. Look at all these beautifulness. Okay guys, I know this is a fall decor video, but before I left I saw this near the door and I had to record these humongous tote bags that they have out this year for summer. I know summer is almost over, but you can always buy them, store them, and use them again next year. These are beautiful. They have beautiful design, color, they look modern, so you can't, I mean, for a buck, beautiful, man. Beautiful. I love them. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please comment down below, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hopefully we see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching so very much.